Think about the woman you want to become and not just what she looks like. I'm talking about the woman who wakes up and who trusts herself. The woman who doesn't need to negotiate for 45 minutes or overthink self care. Seriously, picture her for a second. Like, she doesn't bargain with herself at 6 a.m., nor is she trying to white knuckle her way through the week, hoping she doesn't break. Stress happens, life happens, but she has a floor and she doesn't fall through it. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you're thinking, when I finally lose the weight, I'll become her. When I get more consistent, I'll become her. When life settles down, I'll become her. But what if she's not waiting for you at the end of that transformation? What if the transformation is becoming her? Stay with me, because today I'm going to help you identify some practical ways that you can stop identifying with that version of yourself and become her now. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Coach Paris Simone, the creator of the Stress Integrated Strength System, and I help women build strength and consistency without requiring them to pretend like stress, exhaustion, responsibilities, and real life don't exist. And before I explain my methodology and how it supports this transformation, we gotta talk about why wanting her just isn't enough. See, a lot of women are treating their future identities like an outfit hanging up in the fitting room. You see it, you love it, you can even imagine yourself wearing it out to one of your favorite places, or even the compliments you'll receive in it. But instead of putting it on, you keep telling yourself, I have to become someone different first. Like, I gotta lose more weight. Or maybe you're thinking you gotta get more disciplined first. And my personal favorite, I don't have time, or my life is just too out of control. So that identity stays hanging there, imagined, admired, but never embodied. Now look, every few months you go back and look at it again. New planner, new challenge, new meal plan, new workout split, new promise. But it's the same woman who is making these decisions. Now, this is the same woman who believes one missed day means she fell off. This is the same woman who believes a low energy day means she's failing. This is the same woman who only trusts herself when she's performing perfectly. But that's why the plan keeps changing, because the pattern does not. Now, this is where I need you to pause. I need you to be honest with yourself. Do you really need another plan? Seriously, do you need another plan? Or do you need to become the woman who remains connected to the plan when life stops cooperating? Because anybody can feel good when the kids are settled, when the schedules are clear, when sleep is good, and nobody needs anything from you. But that's not where identity is proven. Identity is revealed when things go left, when meetings run over, when your child falls sick, or maybe your energy levels have plummeted, when the workout you plan no longer fits the body that shows up. This is that moment where women start to abandon the woman who they wish to become. Not because the goals stopped mattering, because they never learned how to respond when the conditions started changing. And this is exactly why I created the Stress Integrated Strength System. See, I don't believe women need another method that only works when their life is calm. So you need a methodology that teaches you how to remain the woman you are becoming, even when your capacity changes. See, we're not lowering the vision or excusing ourselves from growth, but we are learning how to respond differently on those days when life and our body require something different from us. Now, inside the Stress Integrated Strength System, we identify whether you are operating from a green, yellow, or red level of capacity, because the woman you're becoming should know when she has the capacity to push, to adjust, and when she needs more support before she adds more pressure. See, you're no longer depending on one version of you to carry the entire goal. That's how transformation becomes sustainable. So I do have some real tangible shifts that you can start implementing right away. Number 1, build a floor, not a ceiling. Everyone plans for their best day, but no one is prepared for their worst. This is typically the gap that creates the collapse. No judging, just adjusting. Number 2, stop measuring your day or yourself by whether you were good or bad. There is no perfect day. There's only the next choice. And lastly, stop treating stress like it's the enemy of progress. Your nervous system is not separate from training. It's actually the terrain we're training on. Ignore it and it'll keep pulling you back to those same habits every single time. Remember, those are your default settings, okay? When you are on survival mode. The woman you want to become today is not waiting for you at the end of a new program. She's built by the decisions you make today, and not just powerful decisions, right? When the day looks good and calm, but on the days where you're tired and fatigued, on the days where life interrupts you again, on the days where you have to adjust and continue. That is how you become someone who can hold the transformation and not just reach it temporarily. You don't have to wait until she shows up in the mirror. You can start with your decisions now. Now, if you're ready to stop guessing what your body needs and you want to respond to it with intention, take my regulation quiz. It's going to help you identify your current starting point, also show you how stress may be affecting your consistency, and show you where you need more support before adding more pressure. Start becoming the woman who knows how to work with her body and not abandon it, especially during stressful times. The link is in the description box below. I'll see you next time.